In this example, we are asked to solve for the variable x. As you can see in this problem, we actually have variables on both sides of the equation. So before we can actually solve this, we need to move all of the variables to one side and the constants to the other. I like to move my variables to the left side and keep my constants on the right. So I'm going to start on the left side, and I'm going to look for my variable term, this negative 4x, which is going to stay because that's where I want my variables to be. This positive 17, however, is a constant, so I need to inverse it using a negative 17 and move it to the right. Now on the right side, I need to make sure that I combine it with another constant. The 2x is a variable term, so I cannot combine it with the negative 17. I can, however, combine it with the negative 7. This will make the 17 on the left cancel out and leave us with 4x. On the right, I'm going to bring down the 2x and combine the negative 7 and negative 17 to get negative 24. Next, I'm going to focus on that right side and look for my variable term that I need to move to the left. The negative 24 is a constant, and that's what I want on that side. The 2x, however, is a variable term, so I need to move it to the other side. It is a positive 2x, so I'm going to inverse it with a negative 2x. This will cancel out the 2x on the right and leave us with negative 24. On the left, negative 4x and negative 2x make negative 6x. The last step is to inverse the coefficient. The coefficient is a negative 6, and it's multiplying on the variable. The inverse of multiplication is division, so we're going to use a bar to divide by that coefficient, which will make the coefficient of negative 6 cancel out and leave us with x equals 4.